Alright, so we got our black ABS plastic glue sticks here, and we are going to melt them down and put in here for a little padding for the vibration. I might put some on the back mounts too, and this and right here for a little bit of padding. I'm not sure yet. We will see. Alright, now we have our black glue stick in here. We're just going to very carefully just line it up in here. We don't want it real thick, we just want a thin layer. Just a little thin layer right here. Just to give us a little anti-vibration. Probably need some open area for this, because these black ABS glue sticks do have a smell to them if you get those. So I'm guessing they're probably toxic. It's decently vented in here though. Alright, that should be good enough. That gives us a little bit of vibration protection there. And I think we're going to go ahead and do the back mount here too. We're just going to pile up some glue in here. And then we'll take this socket without the lettering on it mostly and place it down in here. Let it sit there and harden up for a minute. Oh, it stuck to the socket, but not to that. So that's not gonna work. Let's pause this and get some. Ooh, you know what? You know what? Got an idea. We'll try this again. Just jam it up with glue there. And instead of just doing a socket, we'll spray a little lube on here so it don't stick to the socket. Hopefully. Now we'll just push this down in here. Give it a second, let it cool off. And there we go. Rotated it and it's out. Now, as you can see, it's not very much. It's not very thick. But it's a little bit of vibration dampening. And now we get the other piece. Go ahead and spray this again. A little lube. Smash it down. Let it cool for a second. And then we rotate. So that way we're not pulling it. And boom. Now we got a little padding on the back of that too. Now we turn off first. Oh, it was already off. Now we turn it off. Now we got padding on here, and we got a little padding up in here for the vibration. So we got it temporarily back together because we got the new studs right here and the new studs down here. We got to take it for a test ride, make sure none of them loosen up, and that it holds the motor tight. As you can see right now, it's not flexing, not moving or anything like that. So we got a new head on here. I put the new magneto on there. My other magneto, it was still working, but it seemed to be having some issues because I swapped this one out and it started running clean as soon as I swapped it. But we're gonna take it for a test ride, make sure everything's good.